Welcome to Flushed with Success. Plumber Marketing Secrets Unplugged. The secret go-to resource that helps plumbing business owners master the art of growing their plumbing business using digital marketing. Here's your host, online marketing expert, Sid Taylor.
Before we get started with today's show, I want to make sure we thank our sponsor, Local Biz Buzz Digital Marketing. Hey, plumbing business owners, want to see more calls to your plumbing business? Local Biz Buzz Digital Marketing knows how to bring customers right to you. From boosting Google reviews to eye-catching email marketing and websites that work, we turn your prospects into paying clients. Visit localbizbuzz.co and let's elevate your business today. Local Biz Buzz Digital Marketing, your trusted partner for growth. All right, let's get back to the show. Welcome back to Flushed with Success, Plumber Marketing Secrets Unplugged. I'm your host, Sid Taylor, and today we have a very exciting episode lined up for you. We'll be exploring how plumbing businesses can effectively harness the power of video content to engage customers, highlight their expertise, and ultimately increase their market presence. Joining us today is Donna Gunter, an expert in digital marketing strategies for plumbing businesses. We're thrilled to have you here, Donna.
Thank you for having me, Sid. I'm delighted to be here today to discuss one of the most dynamic tools in digital marketing, video content. It's increasingly becoming crucial for small to medium-sized plumbing businesses to leverage video to not only reach but also engage a broader audience.
Absolutely, Donna. Let's dive right in. Why do you think video content holds such importance in modern marketing strategies, particularly for plumbing businesses?
Video content is a powerful medium because it combines visual and auditory elements to capture attention like no other format. For plumbing businesses, it offers an unparalleled opportunity to showcase technical skills, detail, and craftsmanship. Videos can effectively demonstrate the before and after of plumbing projects and exemplify the detailed processes involved in installations or repairs. Videos also build trust. They humanize a business, allow owners to connect on a personal level with potential clients, and demonstrate their expertise in a way that words alone simply cannot achieve.
That makes a lot of sense. And considering the visual nature of plumbing work, video content really seems like a natural fit. What types of videos would you suggest plumbers focus on creating?
There are several types of video content that can be highly effective. Live demos and tutorials should definitely be a staple in a plumber's content strategy. These not only showcase the technical skills involved, but also empower viewers by showing them the right way to handle minor plumbing issues themselves, which builds credibility. Customer testimonials are another impactful video type. Having clients speak about their positive experiences builds immense trust and reputation. Additionally, behind-the-scenes footage can provide an inside look at the company culture and team dynamics, further humanizing the business. Mixing in these different types keeps your content fresh and engaging.
It seems like there's a video type suitable for nearly every communication goal. Now let's talk about some practical aspects of video creation. What are your top tips for shooting engaging videos?
Engaging video content begins with good preparation and execution. For starters, lighting is crucial. It should be bright yet soft to avoid harsh shadows. The sound quality cannot be underestimated. Clear audio is key to holding viewer attention, so investing in a decent microphone is advisable. When it comes to framing, make sure the subject is well centered and that unnecessary distractions are kept out of the shot. Scripting, even if you're going for an impromptu feel, can help keep the message focused and within a manageable time frame. Planning your content can make your videos more polished and professional, contributing to a stronger perception of your expertise.
Creating polished content is definitely important, and ensuring all these elements are in check can make a huge difference in the reception of your videos. Let's shift focus a little towards distributing this content. What would you say are the best platforms for sharing plumbing video content?
The choice of platform can often depend on your target audience and the type of content. YouTube is the go-to for longer form content and has the added advantage of being easily searchable. For shorter, more engaging clips, social media channels like Facebook, Instagram, and increasingly TikTok are excellent as they offer high engagement rates. Sharing on your own website can also add value, particularly when integrating videos into blog posts or service pages. Always consider where your audience is most active and be open to cross-posting on multiple platforms to increase visibility and engagement.
That's invaluable advice for maximizing the reach of video content. Could you share some strategies to ensure that these videos not only reach but effectively engage the audience?
To maximize engagement, it's essential to optimize your videos for SEO by using relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and tags. Additionally, incorporate calls to action within your videos to guide viewers toward your services or other content. Sharing your videos in newsletters is another effective strategy to engage current clients and encourage them to share within their networks. Cross-promoting on various social media platforms can further enhance your visibility. Finally, regularly analyzing video metrics can provide insights into what's working and what isn't, enabling you to adapt your strategy to better meet your audience's preferences.
It sounds like there's a lot of potential in using these strategies to ensure plumbing businesses not just reach, but truly connect with their audience. I'd love to hear about any successful case studies you've encountered where plumbing businesses have effectively used video content in their marketing.
Certainly, one example that comes to mind is of a local plumbing business that began utilizing tutorial videos to address common plumbing issues. By focusing on common household plumbing fixes, they positioned themselves as helpful experts in their community. This in turn led to an increase in their client base, as homeowners preferred to employ a service they viewed as knowledgeable and approachable. Another business aimed to build customer trust by sharing client testimonials and project showcases, which resulted in higher customer referrals. The transparency and realness of their approach resonated with customers, thus leveraging video content effectively to enhance their brand image and reach.
These case studies truly underscore the powerful impact of video content when used strategically. Beyond the technical side, engaging videos can indeed humanize a brand and build trust in ways other content just can't match.
Absolutely, Sid. Additionally, encouraging audience interaction and feedback through video content is also essential. This not only helps improve your future content, but also enhances customer relationships, as they feel more involved and valued. Asking questions, responding to comments, or even hosting live Quanda sessions can significantly enhance engagement and client loyalty.
Interactivity is a fantastic way to maintain a conversation with the audience, and it's a great opportunity for plumbing businesses to solidify their community ties. As we wrap up here, I want to remind our listeners about our call to action. Want to turn your plumbing newsletter into a client magnet? Get our free guide, 52 Weeks to Plumbing Profits. It's your secret weapon for engaging content that builds trust and drives business. Download it now at plumbernewsletterprofits.com and watch your client list grow. Donna, thank you so much for joining us and sharing your insights on utilizing video content in plumbing marketing. To our listeners, I hope today's episode has inspired you to explore video content and its tremendous potential for your business. Remember that implementing even small video initiatives can significantly boost your engagement and client relationships. Until next time, keep innovating and let your plumbing business shine.
You've been listening to Flushed with Success, Plumber Marketing Secrets Unplugged. If you enjoyed today's podcast, make sure you click the subscribe button and leave us a review. We'll be back next week with another great episode. See you next time.